Hey guys, another unboxing. See what we have here. Alright. We have a drink mixer. This is good for margaritas, chocolate milk, any kind of drink that you want to mix up, or iced tea. Alright, this is a drink mixer. I wanted a white mixer cup. There's nothing else in the box. And here we are. Let's put the paper over here. And this is it. You press the button and you're able to have your drink in here. This is the drink mixer with tornado action. No pun intended. So, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And as always, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And peace.